Gentle drums rise with the beat of the land. Offbeat chords dance like the light on the river. Voices breathe low as the night understands. I was born where the red earth meets the thunder, where the tall trees whisper stories to the flame. Every heartbeat is a drum in the darkness. Every footprint writes our never-ending name. Through the valleys where our mothers sang to morning, through the shadows where our fathers lit the fire, we remember every echo in the distance, calling softly to the drum of our desire. From the long road, from the river, from the hillside, we return with all the dust upon our skin, carrying laughter, carrying the heavy stories. Let the song rise up and let the night begin. La 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 la. All the children with their eyes like shining embers, all the elders with their wisdom in their hands. As we circle by the fire in the twilight, we are woven like the roots that hold this land. In the dark sky, every star becomes an ancestor. In the warm smoke, we can hear them breathe our names. Every prayer thread in the cloth of our tomorrow. Every heartbeat is a gentle glowing flame. Raise your hands high, let the mountains feel our heartbeat. Raise your voice now, let the river sing along. We are daughters of the drum and of the sunrise, standing strong. We are daughters of the storm and of the starlight, made of song. From the far fields, from the rice and from the rainfall, hear the sweet roll of the bass beneath our feet. On the offbeat, hear the guitar kiss the evening. Feel the night air as it hums a smoky beat. La 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 la. In the low light, see the colors of our garments. Golden ember, every thread a living prayer. When we gather, we are oceans in the moonlight. Every heartbeat is this land.